good, y'all? R.O.S Cuts back at it. Today is the day, my first day in the barbershop, first week. Yesterday I passed my state board. To God be the glory for that. Man, it's been a tough journey, just the amount of work that I put in to get where I'm at now. And I decided to just go ahead and just get in the shop and get the career going, get my YouTube career going, barber career. I'm on the way to the barbershop now. Somebody's gonna meet me there just to show me around and stuff, and I'm gonna set up my station. I'm not really worried about if I get any cuts today. I just kind of want to be around the barbershop vibe today. It hasn't really hit me yet that I'm a licensed barber, but I think it will once I give it a couple days, or like a couple days in the shop. I'll probably just be cutting or something, be like, dang, I really made it. So stay tuned for more consistent YouTube videos. I wanted to wait until I was licensed and I was in the barbershop to upload consistently. So stay tuned for vlogs, tutorials, and then just let me know in the comments what y'all want to see next. And I'm gonna just take y'all on this journey.
Man, we didn't get in until cause like they started thunderstorming out there.
Y'all drove up here? I don't even know how to do it. I thought about unplugging it. Taking it apart and trying to do it myself. The same way Terrence made, the same way you look at.
Hopefully y'all can hear me. TV is kind of loud, but today is Friday. It's about 8:20. Got about 6 booked clients, so there's going to be a lot of walk-ins because July 4th is literally in 2 days. So it's going to be packed today, which is Friday. It's going to be packed tomorrow too. Stay tuned. Hopefully I get a lot of clients today. I just want to just put out as much. I just want to get to work. That Friday was crazy. Today's Saturday. It's gonna be busy today too. I was booked except for like 2 to 3 walk-ins. I cut like 9 heads, I think, 9 to 10. I don't even know. I was just cutting. A little sore, tired. 7 o'clock in the morning again. About to be on my way there now. I ain't even gonna cap to y'all. Today ain't a good day for me, but I'm just keep pushing through, and it's tough, man. It's tough when you're going through stuff like outside of your career, and you gotta deal with that and then show up to work every day. It's tough, but I'm gonna keep pushing through. But yeah, hopefully I get a lot of clients today, and I'm gonna show y'all that, and hopefully y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna give you a little slight tour of the place since I'm the only one in here. I think I kind of showed it, but I mean, I was probably seeing it, but y'all really, you know what I'm saying? So, you walk in, you know what I'm saying? And I'm the 4th station to the left. This is my whole setup. You know, come on now. Hold up. My station right here. Got my little equipment. Got my clips. I just got this. It's pretty dope though. I mean, I'm still trying to get used to the color, cause I usually use hair fibers and stuff. I'm still trying to get used to that. I had all my disinfectants and stuff from there. Station. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 barbers right now. I don't know if somebody else is about to be in here. I'm not sure. But I'm already knowing that once dude is able to set up, comes back from out of town, I'm gonna be back here. Just so I could be more comfortable with my YouTube stuff. And then I could just start recording my tutorials back here. And all that jazz. So, yeah, I'm the only one in here right now. Hopefully I get some walk-ins. I don't have anybody booked. I only have 1 person booked. I'm gonna take that back. I only have 1 person booked today. And yeah, let's get to it. What I'm realizing already, as a barber, you gotta dress comfortable. So this is what I got on right now. Got the joggers, shoes, comfortable shoes. A little bit comfortable, but gotta dress comfortable. Gotta always have a mat though, cause your knees gonna be on fire, your feet gonna be on fire. My feet were on fire. I was still sore, but it kind of minimized the soreness, I guess. I'm injured right here behind my knee. I don't know what muscle that is. I freaking stretched it out working out, but we're gonna push through. All right, we're gonna push through. Wasn't that busy today. Got to shoot some good content today. Haircut tutorial coming soon. It's the end of the day. It's Saturday. It's 4 o'clock. Headed home. I don't know what I'm about to do, but I'm about to do something tonight. Probably just chill, honestly. Then I gotta eat my cheat meal today. So I want to figure out what I want to get for that. I might actually get canes though. I need to stop eating out though, to be honest. But today was a good day. Got some heads in, got some money. Yeah, today was a good day. Pushed through the adversity. Yeah, but before the end of the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on my social media as well. And I'll see you on the next video.